Hello everyone and welcome to my Story Club show. Dear friends, we are arranging Story Club show and many students are enjoying to listen our stories. Many students are saying that sir, Story Club show is very effective. They are saying that it is helping them to improve their English. So today I am here with a new story. The title of the story is Who is the Biggest of All? And this story is about Akbar and Birbal. Many students like the stories of Akbar and Birbal. All of you know that Akbar was the great king and Akbar had a big garden. Akbar had a beautiful royal garden, and whenever Akbar had a free time, Akbar used to go outside and walk in that garden. One day, Akbar and Birbal were walking through the garden, and Akbar and Birbal were discussing a topic, and the topic of their discussion was the conqueror of Akbar. Akbar had conquered many areas. Akbar had conquered many territories. Akbar had conquered many neighboring states. Conquer means own. He had fought with the enemies and he had won in the battle. He had won in the fight and he had won many territories. Territories means areas. He had owned many neighboring states, and in northern India Akbar had become the biggest emperor. His empire had increased a lot, and so he wanted to talk about his conquerors, about the areas he owned. So a question popped up in the mind of Akbar. A question popped up in the mind of Akbar means a question arose in the mind of Akbar, and Akbar asked to Birbal, Birbal, tell me who is the biggest of all? And we know Birbal was very clever man. He understood everything. And quickly he said, Badshah, a kid is the biggest of all. When Akbar heard the answer of Birbal, Akbar became angry and he asked Birbal, Birbal, tell me how a kid is the biggest of all. Then Birbal said to Akbar, Jahapana, give me 2 days. I will prove how a kid is the biggest of all. Then Birbal had a friend, and his friend had 2 years baby. That baby was very handsome. That baby was very cute. That baby was very adorable. Then Birbal told all these things to his friend, and he requested his friend to allow him to take his baby in the court of Akbar. His friend agreed with Birbal. Then after 2 days Birbal took that baby into the court of Akbar. Akbar saw the cute baby and Akbar became very happy. Akbar told Birbal to bring that baby very close to him. Then Birbal made that baby to sit on the lap of Akbar. Baby was playing with Akbar and Akbar forgot all his worries while playing with that small baby. Akbar forgot all his sorrows while playing with that baby. And after some time, while playing with Akbar, that baby pulled mustache of Akbar. Then when that baby pulled mustache of Akbar, Akbar screamed with pain. Akbar shouted with agony. Akbar shouted with sorrow, and he became angry, and he said to Birbal, Birbal, why did you bring this ill-mannered baby here? Look, the baby is ill-mannered. He is pulling my mustache. Doesn't he know who am I? I am an emperor. I am the king, and this baby is pulling my mustache. How does he dare to pull my mustache? Tell him to keep quiet, or I will punish this baby. When Birbal heard this, now Birbal thought that this is the chance to prove how the baby is bigger than Akbar. And then he said, Sir, I was telling you, a kid is bigger than you, because you are the emperor, you are the king, and nobody can dare to pull your mustache. And look at this baby. This baby has dared to pull your mustache, and yet he is standing here, he is alive. He is playing here and he is muttering words, he is smiling. He has no tension. And if instead of baby, if there was anybody else, and he had pulled your mustache, he would not have stood here alive. You would have punished him to death. And that's why he is bigger than you, because only a kid can dare to pull your mustache. And Birbal explained it in such a way. Birbal used proper words to explain that the kid was greater than Akbar. He said to Akbar, though you are emperor, nobody can touch you, and you won't give up pulling your mustache, but this kid can pull your mustache, and you cannot punish this kid. It means this kid is bigger than you. And now Akbar also liked the explanation of Birbal. Then Akbar told to Birbal, please bring that baby close to me. And Birbal took that baby near Akbar. Akbar hugged that baby, and Akbar became very happy. And Akbar was playing with that baby. Akbar was enjoying moments with that baby. And in this way, Birbal proved that a kid is the biggest of all. By listening this story, we come to know that Birbal was very clever person. Birbal was very wise man. Whatever he thought or whatever he had said, he has proved it. And we like to listen the stories of Akbar and Birbal, and so that for next some days I am going to tell you the stories of Akbar and Birbal, because in all the stories we come to know the cleverness of Birbal. We come to know the cleverness or wiseness of Birbal. That's why we are going to narrate the stories of Akbar and Birbal for next some days. Dear friends, I know stories are helping you to improve your English. Stories are helping you to make you fluent in English. Stories are helping you to speak English fearlessly. Stories are helping you to speak English confidently, and stories are giving you opportunities to listen new things. Stories are teaching you new manners, and stories are giving you knowledge, and they are helping you to improve your English also. And I am thinking, after story club show, I am going to arrange a book club show. I am going to choose some books which will teach us good things, and I am going to arrange a book club show. But for next some days, or for some more months, we are going to arrange story club shows, because I know many students like stories. That's why we are arranging story club show. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like it, comment on it, share it, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it. Thanks a lot.